The E1 error code on a higher vertical freezer indicates that the appliance's temperature sensor or thermistor is not functioning properly. This error can be caused by a temperature sensor that is out of range or a unit system failure. To resolve the issue, the temperature sensor can be replaced. It's also a good idea to check if the freezer compartment is cooling. And if the fast freeze is getting colder, the freezer should be disconnected from power. The control knob and grill cover can then be removed, and the cold control thermistor can be disconnected and replaced with a new one. After reassembling the unit, a hard reset can be performed by unplugging the freezer from its power outlet, plugging it back in after 5 minutes, and turning it on. The doors should then be closed, and the freezer should be allowed to rest for an hour before checking its temperature to see if the E1 error code has been resolved. If the issue persists, contacting the appliance's customer care for servicing and further assistance may be necessary.